Alright guys, let us look at this one. This is a recap from the previous video. So I want us to understand the difference between this one and the previous video, you understand, because they look similar. Of course they are the same, but their direction, it will be different, you understand. This one is given in inward in first angle orthographic projection, while the other one that we just finished doing, it's given inward in third angle orthographic projection. So guys, this is very much important to read and understand the views that you are given, you understand. So if you read the question, they'll say make point P, point A the lowest point, you understand. So don't force this one to be in, because the moment you put this A like the way as they've put it, which means you are saying this is given in third angle orthographic projection, whereas this is given in first angle orthographic projection. So let's see how is it going to come up. It's going to be different compared to what we just did, you understand. So the very first thing that I'm going to do, draw a horizontal line and draw a perpendicular line against it. So point A is that one. So from there, angle 30 degrees clockwise direction, angle 30 anti-clockwise direction, right? Then from there they are saying the hexagon. We know the properties of a hexagon, isn't it? All the sides, they must be equal. Hexagon of 30 millimeter. So I'll open my drawing compass to 30 because I want to have a hexagon of 30 millimeter. I open my compass to 30 millimeter, then I draw a cycle this side, faint, then from there, and it's a flat hexagon, it's not the across the flat. So now have and vertical, then from there I take my drawing compass, I put it here. I'm trying to be fast since we did this one in the previous video. Strike an arc here and strike an arc here and strike an arc there. So now I can have this. So if I measure from here till here, I must get 30 millimeter, you understand. And again here, from here till there has to be 30 millimeter. From here, there you go. From here, there you go. From here, there you go. Then close here. So do I get 30? Yes, it is 30, 30, 30. So we are correct. So now what I'm gonna do, I am going to what I think someone was trying his luck here. So now I am going to measure. Let me explain this. This is what is given in first angle orthographic projection, which means this is front, this is left. So which means on this I am going to have the front view, isn't it? Then this side I'm going to have a left view, you understand. So when I'm now drawing, isn't it? So which means I must force to have my 100 millimeter from here coming this side, you understand. So I must force to have this shape at this portion or this side, and again I must force to have this portion this side. So now from here till there, which means in other words this point A was supposed to be there, understand. So you cannot be rely on such a not strong point, or what are the strong point? What that I'm trying to say is that we have to follow the projection symbol. You understand? We analyze the views since they are given, in which orthographic projection, is it the first or is the third? After you've analyzed them, correspond them or conclude with what? With the projection symbol. Which indeed these two given views are given in third angle orthographic or first angle orthographic projection. You cannot just rely on such one point. You understand? So this and this, indeed they are given in first, and we confirm with what? With their symbol. So which means this A, it was supposed to be there. You understand? And this side, it was supposed to be there. A1. So now what I'm gonna do, I am going to measure my 100mm from here till here, which is from there till there. Where is my 100? There is my 100mm. So I cannot draw it dark yet. I cannot draw it dark yet. So from there, what I'm gonna do, I'll come back to my auxiliary view and place my drawing compass from here till there, right? Then I place it here at A, I strike an arc here, and you understand? So which means this one is the center, is this vertical center. So I am not going to draw it very long. So from there, I come and place my drawing compass here till there, which is 15, isn't it? So now I come here, I mark here and mark there, right? So from there I can have this one solid now, from here till right there. Then from there, vertex happening, let me get the height from here, not from the circumference of the cycle, isn't it? But from here till the center, which is this one, just mark there a little bit. So there it is. Then from there I can have, this point is that one, this point is that one, from here till there is this one, from there till there, from here till the height is this one, from here till here. Understand? So which means now I can have this line is the center, which is this one, but here I want to draw it as a center. You understand? So after I've gotten this line, which means now I can have this one from here till there, solid. So this one from here till there is this one, from here till there. You understand? So now I can place my drawing compass here, from here, and mark this side. You understand? So that now from here till there is going to be solid. And indeed, if I put my t-square like this, this is in the same vertical line. You understand? If I can draw it like that, as long as it's faint. So now I can erase this one a little bit. I don't need it anymore. This one from here going up. You understand? So from there, we are told there is a what? There is a diameter 30. Diameter 30. So what I'm gonna do, I'll extend this vertical center line just a little bit. Then from there, I open my drawing compass to half of 30, which is 15. There's my 15. Then I come, strike an arc here, strike an arc here, strike an arc there, strike an arc here. So I'm trying to be fast since we did this, but is the different, this one is given in first angle orthographic projection. So the previous one, it was given in third angle orthographic projection. So there you go. So this one, remember these lines, they must be faint. We are creating the square. Then from there, I join the two opposite longest corner, which is this one and that one. So your line, it has to pass the center of the square, because this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, it's a square, isn't it? So now I join the square, I join the corner to center point, center to corner, corner to center. So from there, I take my drawing compass, place it here, trying to be fast. I don't explain too much. Further extend it till there, then I can draw. Let me zoom it, then I can have it dark. There you go. Right, so to get this part from here till there, place your drawing compass here till here. There you go. Try to be accurate. There you go. So draw that from here to there. Then from there, I'll have a dark line from here till there. This rule is old. It's actually very old. So this one is this front upper part, because you must ask yourself, from here till there, why is it solid? From here till there, why is it solid? From here till there, it's a center line. From here till here, it's a center line, isn't it? But from here till here, it's solid. And this hidden detail, you understand? These hidden details and that one. Now, what is going to happen? I am going to extend this one. Just faint, coming this side, faint, coming this side. There you go. Like this we go. Then from there, they said where your 100 end to go back is 20 millimeter, isn't it? So which is from here till there is 100 millimeter, isn't it? So now I will measure my 20 millimeter going back, so it's ending right there. Right, if it's ending there, I can have this faint line. Then from there, what is happening, so I'll take this point, this direction. Once it gets there is the center. Once it gets there, let it go up and down, which is what we did here. We are going to do it this side now, you understand? So which is 15, isn't it? Or you can do it here. Okay, let me remember, it's diameter 30. So I'll open my drawing compass to 15 millimeter, which is this one. This one, let me just a little bit. So now I come, place it here, give it a mark here, give it a mark there, mark here, and a mark right there. So what we did here, we are going to be doing it right here now. Create a square. There you go. There you go. There you go. So we are going to join the two longest opposite corner, which is this one and that one. Then from there we join a center point to a corner point and a corner point to a center point. Right, so we are going to place our drawing compass here, open it till there, we get this arc, you understand? and we place it here, we get this arc. So let us do it. Place it here. There you go. There you go. Solid. Right, so now I am going to place it from here till here so that you get this arc. There you go. So lot of the points I didn't explain them properly because a similar video we are having it there in our YouTube channel. So the similar video that is just similar to this one is the one that is recently uploaded. So I think that's where I was explaining more of some other things. So from here till there is solid there, so which means again from here till there I can have it solid to this line without fear or favor. There it is. So don't worry about the holes. I am running short of drawing shit. Okay, so let's see, are we going to see this one from here till there as well, which is this one. Yes, it's coming. So there it goes from here till there. So it's supposed to be 100 millimeters as well. So you are going to measure 100 millimeter from here going this side. From here. So there is your 100 millimeter. Then you can have it solid. You understand? So now you can join this line and this one. Right, then from there what is going to happen, so what we did when we get this one is what we are going to do here. How? Place your drawing compass here at your auxiliary till up there. So you come, I place it here, I give it a mark there. After that one, so which means this point is that one, isn't it? So from there I'll have this one. After I've gotten that, I come in and place my drawing compass here till there, and I come, I mark here and mark here. So now I can have this one dark. Right, then from there what is going to happen, now I can take this point without fear or favor from here till there, which is this one. Now from here till there dark. There you go. So which means this one I must further extend it just a little bit. It goes, so from here till right there. So now I can come back and have this one dark, and this one dark, and this one dark. And again this one dark, this one dark. So now, last but not least, there you go. There you go. So from here I can record what 20 millimeter from here till here. So now I can take this point to that 20 millimeter that I just got and draw it dark. Then after that one, this one dark, and have it dark there. Yes, so that was it. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you on the next video. So that's how you're supposed to get it, you understand? That's how you're supposed to get it, not the other way around. So let's see, are we going to see that line? Because now from here till here we must record the thickness, which is 20. Of course it's in there, so it's going to appear as hidden, so of which is what they said we mustn't show. No hidden details is required. So thank you very much guys. Please take a note on the previous video, which this one, those were two different things despite their dimension. They were given in different orthographic projection, you understand? So this one is given in first angle orthographic projection. So do not rely on the lowest point situated, you understand? Because you must rely on the protocol, because we do not have formula sheet to analyze or to draw, you understand? But we draw using protocol. So thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and share to your fellow colleagues. See you in the next video. Okay.